Alright, here we are, the Oak Leaf Trail, winter 2021, snow on the ground, yet the trail is open, and it's a beautiful day. Taking a little ride, gonna go downtown, see what's going on. Right now, we're just taking it slow and low, looking for the trails. Some of them are covered over. My name's Ken, you're rolling with Ken. This is the winter edition. Rolling with Ken, winter 2021. Hey, my name's Ken, you're rolling with Ken. This is, as you can see, the winter Walk Your Dog on the Ice 2021 edition. The deck's a little too sketchy on this side. And I don't have a crossover for a little bit, but just checking out the lakefront. The big water is ice-free here at the end of February. Although most things that I've experienced have ice on them, quite like this, where you can see people are still walking out on the ice fishing and stuff. So, taking it, I'm 11 miles into my trip today. Bagi Bike has definitely shown some wear from all the water and snow. It's not a problem though. Not a problem at all. Actually, we could just take a little cruise, I guess. It's kind of not that sketchy over here. A little sand. See? The winter spillage. A little bit of ice. It's okay, I got a little passageway to go. Fat tires handle the rest. Hey, what's up? Great day for pictures. Photobomb. Ah! And you are rolling with Ken as we go out to the outer deck of the breakwater here, the Milwaukee Harbor. Winter 2021. Here it's all clear between the sun and the breakage of all the water splashing over. My name's Ken, you're rolling with Ken. Winter 2021. This is the breakwater edition. Here we are on the Lake Michigan on the Bagi Bike. We're doing about 11 miles an hour on this little breakaway. And it's a beautiful winter day. A little bit of ice out there. Nice fishermen too. I think this is about as far as I want to go today. A little sketchy down that way anyway. Oh yeah, these holes are a little wet. Look at those big pieces of ice. Oh yeah, they're just kind of floating in it. Now that's serious winter breakage. Got clear water over here, and onto the big water we got clear water as well. The harbor is still messed up, but you know, hey, boats aren't ready for about another month and a half. Like a good 90 days. Well, maybe 45 days. I'm just chilling on the Bagi Bike. You can see we've definitely taken a few puddles. No problems. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken. This is the winter edition of the Rolling with Ken, Bagi Bike. Gotta get out there and do it. Making it happen. Here we go. Look at those. Oh, like their own little continents. Look at that. There's an earthquake. Oh, there goes California. Okay. Enough of my commentary. Look back on the bike and let's check out what's going on overall. Yeah, so this is winter 2021. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken, and where I'm hanging out in the Bagi Bike, it's a 48 volt, 500 watt system. It's more than sufficient. Anything more, you really don't need. This is more than sufficient to get you where you need to go and all around town. I gotta get 35 miles each trip off of it. We're about 11 miles into it, so we're halfway into our trip, and I just made it downtown on a beautiful winter day. Check out the people ice fishing over there. I don't know if we can see them out into the distance, but the inlet is still frozen over. People are walking and fishing on it out in the big water. No ice whatsoever. It's late February 2021. My name's Ken. I got some rough road over here ahead, so I'm just gonna chill out. We'll get you next time. Hope you've enjoyed. Let's check it out. People do it. I don't know, I wouldn't do it, but people are out there fishing. They're way out there. I seen a guy take his little baby across it just a minute ago on his little sled. So he came from all the way out there and walked all on top of that slush with the baby on the thing. So it's actually doable.
So is this frozen underneath me right now?
Yeah, supposedly it's all good. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I'm just the guy with the video camera seeing what's gonna happen. No, I'm just joking. I literally look at all the people out there. Do you see all the people?
Yeah.
So somehow they got out there. I don't know what the path is. So just be careful. You are rolling with Ken. All right, here we are at the harbor with the Bagi Bike, and a bunch of people are out there walking on the ice. No problem, it is really thick. Just gonna check it out for a little bit. Definitely interesting. Here we are, winter 2021. Quarantine factor, I guess, is over somewhat. I don't see many masks around as we're outside enjoying a beautiful winter day. Lots of ice, lots of snow. I know I've had my share of falls on the ice today, so now I avoid it. But it's fun to ride on. Yeah, we got some more spectators coming on the ice too. There we go. Everyone's going out for a good time. No, that's me. You're good. I'm sorry. Oh my God, I can imagine. Enjoy. No, I've seen lots of people go out there. Enjoy, man. It looks thick enough. See, they're way out there already. Hey, enjoy. So much fun.
They insisted.
Yeah, no, I would do it if, you know, you could do it, do it.
Yeah. I'm intrigued about the ice fisher, but
They're way out there.
I used to ice fish all the time as a kid. I can't get this guy to go.
And now it's warm. I mean, today is like...
Yeah, no, this is awesome.
Don't go too far, guys.
Be safe.
Thank you.
All right. As more people approach the ice, I mean, we could go on and on for hours. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken. We're down here at the Milwaukee Harbor. End of the year.
No.
You're rolling with Ken. Yeah. All right. Hey, what's up there, dude? And there I am. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken. This is winter 2021. See the ice out there on the reflection of the water? Here we are at Discovery World out in the outer deck, enjoying a beautiful winter day and the reflection that this wall has to offer us to be able to catch, hey, the various ice still out there. My name's Ken. You're rolling with Ken. I hope you've enjoyed this and the other episodes. See, there is still definitely some ice still out in the harbor. As people continue to walk along the ice as well as the breakwater. Hey, how you doing? Good morning. Beautiful day to you. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you're rolling with Ken. Winter 2021. Oh my God. Going through the snow over here is a little thick.